The Sling is one of my favorite adds to the LiteChaser system this year. It just gives you a nice home base for all of your gear to live, or is perfect for those minimalist photo and video missions. It's got a spot for everything. Starting with the strap on the back, it's fully adjustable and it's got this quick release buckle which you can pop off so you don't have to push it over your head every single time you're trying to take it on and off. Both of these straps too will slide right into these pockets back here, so you can use this thing as kind of a tech pouch instead of a sling if you want to as well. It's got a drop pocket back here for your phone, so you can throw your phone in there, fully rigged out with a lens or filter and your grip, and then just rip that out whenever you need to grab a quick shot on your photo mission. So starting with the rear compartment, we have a bunch of space back here. First is the little drop section for your phone with the grip installed on it. You can throw that right here. Right next to it, we've got a little pocket for the mounting plate to slide into. Over here, we've got two drop pockets, which can be used for 2 lenses or 2 filters. And then this center area is perfect for adding your mounts into here or some bigger EDC stuff like flashlights and larger wallets. We'll zip. Next, we have our center pocket, which was designed to hold 2 additional filters in these drop pockets right here, as well as this larger drop pocket for the EXO backplate to fit into. And then it's got a nice little center section as well for additional EDC items like a knife or a passport. And moving forward to this front pocket, this was designed for keys to keep them separated and quickly accessible. All of these zippers are also water resistant, which is a nice touch, as well as the material is made out of a 600D nylon, also weather resistant as well. The Sling ties the entire LiteChaser 16 platform together, making it super easy and accessible to shoot from, embracing the minimalism that the iPhone 16 offers.